Namaste students, myself Aman Swami, Associate Professor in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Dear students, today we are going to discuss our new topic, sterilization. What is sterilization? What is the sterilization? A surface or a environment where have work, these are free from the microorganism. These are the free from any kind of microorganism, or these area known sterile area, and this process is known as sterilization process. एक ऐसी प्रोसेस जिसके द्वारा अपन माइक्रो से उस इन्वायरमेंट को फ्री फ्रॉम करते हैं, वो एरिया तो हमारा क्या कहलाता है, स्टेराइल एरिया कहलाता है, और वो प्रोसेस हमारी क्या कहलाती है, स्टेरिलाइजेशन प्रोसेस कहलाती है. ओके, थोड़ा सा डेफिनेशन से जानने की कोशिश करते हैं. व्हाट इज स्टेरिलाइजेशन? स्टेरिलाइजेशन इज ए प्रोसेस इन विच स्प्रेस और इनहिबिट. व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ स्प्रेस और व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ इनहिबिट? स्प्रेस, a process in which growth of microorganism are inhibited or suppressed. In process microorganism not further developed. This process is known as suppress process, and another word is kill process. Both are similar, suppress or inhibit, and another word is kill. In this kill process, the microorganisms are completely destroyed from the particular area, and they further not growth. These are known as kill process. स्प्रेस प्रोसेस में तो क्या होता है कि माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म की ग्रोथ है उसको स्प्रेस किया जाता है, इनहिबिट किया जाता है. बट किल में क्या रहता है कि माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म की ग्रोथ को या उसकी कल्चर को कंप्लीटली ही डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया जाता है, जिससे वो फर्दर आगे प्रोसीड नहीं कर पाते हैं, उनका फर्दर डेवलपमेंट नहीं हो पाता है. दिस आर द किल प्रोसेस. ओके, द प्रोडक्ट आर फ्री फ्रॉम माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म. दिस प्रोडक्ट आर नाउन एज स्टेराइल प्रोडक्ट. एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट जिसमें किसी भी तरह का माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म की प्रेजेंस ना हो, और वो स्टेराइज करने के बाद में वो प्रोडक्ट क्या कहलाता है, हमारा स्टेराइल प्रोडक्ट कहलाता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट, complete removal of microorganism from surface of the substance is a process known as sterilization process. We have previously discussed a area in which free from microorganism area is known as sterile area, and these process are known as sterilization process. Okay, some terms are we will be discussing. What is the antiseptic? What is antiseptic? A substance inhibit the growth of microorganism. A substance which inhibit the growth of microorganism but not destroyed. These are known as antiseptic, and these antiseptic are applied only on living surface, biological surface or biological surface, because these are inhibit the growth of microorganism but not destroyed. If destroyed, the biological system are destroyed. If the destroyed, this biological system are destroyed. क्योंकि ये अपन क्या है, लिविंग सरफेस पे यूज कर रहे हैं. एंटीसेप्टिक है, वो लिविंग सरफेस पे यूज होते हैं. अगर माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म को अपने डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया तो क्या होगा कि वो बायोलॉजिकल सिस्टम भी डिस्ट्रॉय होने के चांसेस होते हैं. तो दिस इज आर inhibit the growth of microorganism, agent known as antiseptic. And next is bactericide. What is the bactericide? Name is clear indication. Bactericide, bacteria मतलब bacteria and side मतलब kill. The growth of bacteria are kill, known as bactericide. The growth of bacteria kill are known as bactericide, and growth of bacteria are statics मतलब inhibit or suppress, known as statics. Two words are indicated, one is side and one is static. Static means inhibit or suppress the growth of microorganism, and side means kill the growth of microorganism or bacteria. And word is indicated, bacteria is known as bactericide मतलब kill the growth of bacteria, and microorganism kill the growth of microorganism. Sidal or static. Static means suppress और sidal means growth of microorganism kill. The bacteria indicated bactericide means kill the bacteria, and bacteriostatic means inhibit or suppress the growth of bacteria is noun bacteriostatic and bactericidal. Next is disinfectant. Destroyed the complete growth of microorganism from living non-living surface is known as disinfectant. Like that, cresol, lysol, these are the used as and these are the used as a disinfectant agent, and these agents are inhibit the growth of microorganism from non-living surface. These are completely destruct. These are now disinfectant. And viricide means virus, and side means kill the growth of virus, या kill the viruses, known as viricide. Next, sterility. A substance or a product, there no have any microorganism, these area are known sterile area, and these process are sterile process, and absence of microorganism on any surface or product, these are known as sterility or sterile product. Okay, next, these are the biological, these are the terms of bactericidal, bacteriostatic, antiseptic, disinfectant in the use microbiology and pharmaceutics. Next, go to what type and what kind of sterilization process, how to remove or how to kill the microorganism. These kill and inhibit the growth of microorganism process are used. How type, what kind of this process. First of all, physical method. These are the used type of method and process, 4 types, and first is physical, chemical, mechanical and radiation process. These are the used to complete, inhibit or destruct the process of the growth of microorganisms. First of all, physical method, in which method we are used to completely destruct the microorganism from product or surface area. In process, we have used a dry heat process and one another is moist heat process. In dry heat process, we have used autoclave, and these autoclave are used in dry heat sterilization, and these hot air oven. Dry heat sterilization, in we have used hot air oven, and these hot air oven are 121 degree या 124 degree centigrade temperature for 2 hours, and bacteria and microorganisms are completely killed. And second one another is moist heat sterilization. In moist means water, presence of water, and these presence of water are used to kill or inhibit the growth of microorganisms. These are known as moist heat sterilization. And in this apparatus we have used autoclave, and these autoclave are used for completely destruct by water or water evaporation, and these water evaporation are involved in the completely destruction of a microorganism. This process are known as moist heat sterilization. And in dry heat sterilization, dry air are used to inhibit or complete the growth of microorganism by dry air. These are known as dry heat process, and another second is moist heat process we have used in autoclave. And another is second point for method of sterilization use chemical process. In chemical method, we are use liquid substance or gaseous substance as a chemically product. These are used to completely destruct or the growth of microorganisms. Like there's a liquid substance, cresol, lysol, Dettol, these are the liquid substance. And gaseous substance, nitrous oxide, and different kinds of gases are used to sterilization process. And next another, go ahead for will mechanical method. In mechanical method we are used to filter, and this process are filtration process. These filter are separate the microorganism from liquid substance. These are process known as mechanical process. And next is radiation process. In radiation process, we are used to radiation for the inhibit and kill the growth of microorganisms. Like that, X-rays, gamma rays and UV rays, these are used to inhibit the growth of microorganisms and kill the growth of bacteria. These are the process is radiation process and radiation method process. These are four kind of type: physical sterilization, chemical sterilization, mechanical sterilization and radiation sterilization या radiation method. These are used in inhibit and kill the growth of microorganism, and area are sterile from microorganism, free from microorganism. These are sterile area, and this process are sterile process, and these complete process are known as sterilization. How to our video, we will discuss on next part is briefly physical sterilization, chemical sterilization, mechanical sterilization, radiation, how to work, how it is the process. We will discuss on next video, next lecture. Thank you. Have a good day.